Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer Preset for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application, and of course your speaker should be connected with the app. Then the application open for you speaker menu, but if you are in the main menu, you need to tap at your speaker at the device list. Now scroll down just a bit, and right here I have Equalizer. You need to scroll to the left and you need to find custom button. Tap at this button, and now we can create the preset, so just select the best one for you. And let's say that's okay for me. After that you can just go back, and now we use this preset. You can click at the edit near to the equalizer and you can change this preset. If you don't like it, you can click at the reset button and you have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.